let's get real.
Okay.
You've been working so hard, putting in all these hours, but you're not seeing the results that you want to see. Yeah, you want to make more money or get the promotion, or you just want to see a bigger impact with your work. By the way, I'm whispering right now because I don't want my neighbor to hear about this secret. Because right now I'm going to tell you about a cheat code that can help you amplify your work. So you work the same amount, but you get much more out of it. And that is called leverage. I will show you exactly the 3 main types of leverage that you can use in order to amplify your work. And I will also tell you about the one secret type of leverage that most people overlook that will turbocharge your life. So let's get right to it. Number 1 is capital, number 2 is labor, and number 3 is code or media. But let me explain them first before you make any judgment. First, there is labor leverage. This is the type of leverage that involves your own time or someone else's time. So what you could do is you could hire someone else and then have them work for you. That is labor leverage. You don't have to do anything by yourself. By building a team or outsourcing task, you can multiply your output and achieve more in less time. The key here is to get the right people on your team, because if you get people that do a bad job in behalf of you, that looks bad on you. So you really need to manage this team and do a good job. Next, there is a more exciting and more powerful type of leverage. It's called capital leverage. Capital leverage involves using money to make more money. All right, let's explain this. Instead of trading your time for a paycheck, you invest your money into assets that generate passive income or more money for you. This could be by investing into stocks and real estate, or what is more exciting is to start a business. With capital leverage, your money works for you 24/7, which means it works for you while you sleep. If you want to learn how to do that, subscribe to this video and I'll explain exactly how you can do that. The third type of leverage is the most exciting one, and that is code leverage or media leverage. This type of leverage is all about using technology, software, or media to automate and scale your efforts. Code leverage doesn't require permission. You can just upload something to YouTube or post something on a blog and people can use your code and get value out of it. With code leverage, you can create something once and have it serve millions of people without having to pay for each additional person that you onboard. And that's the most exciting part about it. Think about how a single app like Instagram only had 13 or 14 employees until it was sold to Facebook for $1 billion, just because it was leveraging code rather than people. But here's the part that I also promise, and that's the fourth type of leverage, and that is network leverage. This type of leverage is all about tapping into the power of your relationships and your networks and your friends in order to get the most out of what you build. By building a strong network of people who support and promote your work, you can achieve massive success. Think about how the single recommendation of a friend or influencer that you love has influenced you to buy something because you trusted them. That is crazy powerful. YouTube told me to keep my videos super short, so let me know in the comments if you want a more detailed guide on how to build businesses based on these type of leverages. Since you've stuck around until now, I've created a free template that breaks down each of the type of leverages to show you exactly how you can apply them in your own life with business examples that I might start and that you could start on your own too. You can download it by clicking on the link in the description. And as a premiere extra, I've also included a guide on the best businesses to start based on these types of leverages. Also click on that if you're interested. Imagine yourself a year from now having applied these leverage principles to your life. You're no longer stuck in the hamster wheel and trading your time for money, but rather you have capital or software or media that is working for you instead day by day while you're sleeping. Instead of earning dollars per hour, you can do whatever you want with your life. How powerful is that?